Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got something from Japan. This is the ZenPop triple box. At least I'm pretty sure that's what this is. Let's crack it open and have a look. Oh. So I opened it up and I found this. This is from Zen Plus, which is ZenPop, Zen Plus. There's other Zen, I think Zen Market as well. And it's a coupon for 500 yen off if you want to get something from them. So cool. So this was in there. This is in there. And this is in there. And I noticed one says savor, one says taste, and one says feast. We'll start with this one and go down the stack. Okay. So I'm not sure exactly what's going on with these, if some of them are overstock or just they're trying to clear out, like they're trying to clear out inventory. I don't know. They mentioned that this might be the only time they do these, so I just don't know. But let's start looking at it. So this looks like it's a Nissan Donbei Oishi. It's either an udon or a soba, and by the width it looks like it's an udon, and I think I've had this one. Now this one doesn't look familiar to me. This is Maruchan. I don't know what it is. Red, could it be a shoyu? It also looks like it's got little meaty bits in there, so this could be a Tenten Men. I don't know. Now here's a Maratai variety. Those are always good. I think I have had this one. This is a Yamadai variety, aka New Touch. This one I know. This is from Ace Cook, and this is part of their Mariuma line. This is a tonkatsu, and it's really quite good. And then we got their chili tomato. I've seen this one recently. And another Yamadai variety. I believe this was a chanpon. It might be a wakame variety. I'm not sure. Definitely unsure about this one. I think it's Daikoku. It might be Daikoku. We'll have to find out. So the first one was the feast box. Now we've got the taste box. And as you can see, this one's smaller. So let's see what's in this one. Oh, cool. So here's another of the Ace Cook Tonkatsu Mariuma range. And another chili tomato. Now here's a Maruchan variety I've not had. And it also has a sachet on top. So I don't know. This looks very much like it's something, but I have no idea what, and it will require further research. And here's one of these Kinchan varieties, and this, I believe, is a shoyu. I really can't remember. There's a bunch of them, but they're pretty good. I've heard them referred to as Japanese soul food. Somebody sent me a whole bunch of these at one point, so yeah, I've tried quite a few, and they're pretty good. And then here's a Cup Star variety from Sapporo Ichiban I've not tried, and it has a girl on the lid. I think they do, I think she's probably from AKB48. It's a girl group with 48 members. It might be something else, but yeah. And to round out this box, this is rad. I'm guessing this is a spicy seafood cup noodle. I'm not sure, but that's my guess. It's either a spicy one or it's the oishi, the delicious one, because they did this kind of setup with the curry as well. And finally, we arrive at the savor box. Oh yeah. All right, so here we've got another of the Maratais that we saw in the other box as well. And this one, I still have one from a prior ZenPop box. This is a summer variety. This is a cold noodle. It's part of the Maruchan Saimen range. Another Ace Cook Tonkatsu. Another chili tomato. Another one of these Maruchan, I'm not sure what it is. And I can't remember what variety of this it is, but it's a yakisoba. And last but not least, we've got Ichiban, Myojo Ichiban yakisoba with the wonderful flavor of just a regular sauce yakisoba, nice and tangy, flavorful, and then you've got the mayo mustard squirt karashi mayo that goes on top. I think that's what it is. Maybe it's just the mayonnaise and mustard, but this one is absolutely one of my favorite yakisobas ever produced. So thanks to the folks over at ZenPop. You can go over to ZenPop.jp and use the coupon code The Ramen Raider if you want to get one of these big assortments of noodles. I don't know if they currently will still have them, but it's worth a look. Like I said, go over to ZenPop.jp, use that coupon code The Ramen Raider, get yourself a discount. All right, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.